Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Please text your friends and ask them to join the class. Now, I'll be showing you picture and material. Then
Good
every
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon, beta.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Tell others to join in, please. Tell your friends to join in. How many students were there in the previous lecture, kids? How many were there in the previous lecture? Am I audible to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
How many were there in the previous lecture?
15.
15. Where have they gone? Tell them.
Ma'am, I'm just asking permit to join the meeting, ma'am. 1 minute.
Tell them, then we'll start. I'm sharing my screen. The meanwhile, let me know whether you're able to see it or not. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Tell your
ma'am.
friends to join in, please, huh? Sure. First, we'll talk about the deserts, right? We have read about Ladakh and Sahara. We'll start with the same. Let Shobhit come back at least, then I'll start. Okay. We have six of you. Yes, Shobhit?
Ma'am, not there.
He's not there, leave it. So let's get started. Okay. So first we're gonna start the diagnostic test assessment, you can say that. Let's get started with it. Hanji. So which of the following do you not expect to see in hot deserts? Sand, alluvial soil, high speed winds, or scanty rainfall?
Ma'am, alluvial soil.
Correct. Others can also answer. Sure. Next would be answered by Pranav. Pranav, dash are found in a hot desert.
And camels.
Camels, correct. Next would be answered by Vamika. Vamika, dash cannot have a cold desert. Areas of high altitudes, areas located at higher latitudes.
Ma'am, coastal areas.
Correct, Vamika, good. जी अमोली आप बताइए which of the following is the characteristics of most animals found in a cold desert? अमोली बताइए अमोली गुप्ता
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बताइए which of the following is the characteristics of most animals found in a cold desert? So easy. बताओ भामिका.
Ma'am, they have thick fur and hair.
Exactly, they have thick fur and hair. Which of the following correctly explain oasis? युवराज सिंह बताइए. Forest areas in hot desert, lakes in the cold desert, areas full of water.
Ma'am, ma'am, areas full of water in a hot desert.
Correct. Right, let's see our score now. Yes. We have done all correct. सब कुछ सही गया है. ठीक है, चलो. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now I'm sharing a video with you all. Okay, I hope you like it. Can you see this?
Life in the deserts.
Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
This module includes Our Earth is made up of a variety of landforms like mountain, plateau, plain, climates, plants, and animal life. A desert is a natural region that receives an extremely low amount of precipitation, less than enough to support the life of plants. Deserts are classified as hot and cold deserts. The weather can be either extremely hot or very cold. Well-known hot deserts are the Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert, Gobi Desert, Kalahari Desert, Patagonian Desert, Great Victoria Desert, Syrian Desert, Great Basin Desert, and Thar Desert. Cold deserts like Antarctic, Arctic, Greenland, Ladakh, etc. are covered in snow or ice. Children, this chapter will focus on the Sahara, a hot desert, and the Ladakh, a cold desert.
Okay, so this was the overview. Please keep your mics off when some video is going on, otherwise you won't be able to understand. Okay? किसका mic on है?
और पुत्र
So, keep your mic off. Sure. Yeah. So, Abhi, what did we see? We said we have just seen the overview. Now we'll talk about the hot desert first, right? That is the Sahara Desert. I'm again saying, please text your friends to join in. They're gonna miss on something good.
Students, we already know about the importance of water in the life of living beings. There can be no life where there is no water. There are many places in the world where there is abundant water and moderate climate. But there are also some places where water is scarce and the climate is extreme. These places, which are characterized by extremely high or low temperatures and scarce vegetation, are known as deserts. Do you know how many types of deserts are there? Well, on the basis of temperature, deserts can be divided into two categories: hot deserts and cold deserts. Can you guess which is the largest hot desert in the world? Yes, it is.
Can you tell me which is the hot desert in the world? Largest hot desert?
Sahara Desert.
Correct.
Ma'am, Sahara Desert.
Sahara. Here we'll learn about the Sahara. Students, do you remember in which continent the Sahara Desert is located?
बताइए, in which continent is it located?
Africa.
Very good. Which part of Africa?
North Africa.
Very good.
Yes, the Sahara is located in the northern part of Africa. The area occupied by the Sahara is almost 2.5 times as large as our country, India. It stretches over 11 countries, which are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. What do we visualize when the word desert is mentioned?
You tell me, when we talk about desert, what comes to your mind first?
Sand.
Sand, right? And can you spot sand dunes here? Can you see sand dunes here?
Yes, ma'am. Sand dunes are formed there.
Can you see
Yes, ma'am.
these mountains or these mounds? These are the sand dunes which we had talked about in the class, remember?
Ma'am, it's the most noticeable feature in the Sahara Desert.
Exactly. Very good, Shobit.
Most common picture that emerges in our mind is that of a vast expanse of sand. But apart from sand, we can also find gravel plains and elevated plateaus with bare rocky surfaces in the Sahara. Now, let us learn about the climate of the Sahara. As previously mentioned, the temperature in any desert is on the extreme side. As the Sahara is a hot desert, the temperature here remains very high. The temperatures during the day may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius. On the contrary, the nights can be freezing cold. Do you know the reason behind this?
Can
During
you-
the day, the high temperature heats up the sand and rocks, which in turn radiates heat, making everything hot. But at night, most of the heat from the sand and rocks quickly radiates into the air, and there is no sunlight to reheat it. The temperature drops down dramatically due to this. You'll be surprised to know that the Sahara also has a short rainy season, which is responsible for the little vegetation we find there. We can find cactus, date palms, and acacia in the Sahara. You can surprisingly find a fertile area surrounding a source of water in these extremely dry regions.
What do we call
Do
this
you know
area?
what it is known as? It is known as an oasis. But how is an oasis formed? We know that depressions are formed in deserts when the wind blows away the sands. Sometimes underground water reaches the surface in these depressions, forming an oasis. People may settle around an oasis and grow date palms and other crops.
Okay, children. So there's a question for you. On what basis the deserts are divided into hot and cold? Moisture, air pressure,
Temperature.
wind speed, or
Temperature.
temperature?
Temperature.
Very good,
Temperature.
everyone. Temperature is the correct option.
The Sahara is not as lifeless as it might appear to be. We can also find some animals in the Sahara. The
Can
common
you tell me which animal is most common in Sahara Desert?
Ma'am, camels.
Camel.
And which tribes are the most popular tribes?
Ma'am, Bedouins and Tuaregs.
Very good, Shobhan. Bedouins and Tuaregs.
animals that we can find here are camels, foxes, jackals, hyenas, scorpions, and many varieties of snakes and lizards. Now, let us learn about the life of people living in the Sahara Desert. Despite its harsh climate, several groups of people, mainly the nomadic tribes, inhabit the Sahara. The major ones among them
Who are nomads, children?
Ma'am, the people who carry food, ma'am, who go for food and fooder with their like
The people.
with their animals
Ma'am, people who migrate to
from one
another
place to
region
another.
in search of food and shelter.
Along with their cattle.
Animals.
Hmm.
Animals.
Right, she's a fun tribe they're talking about. We have also talked about that as Tuaregs. They're showing you about them now.
are the Tuaregs and the Bedouins. They move from place to place throughout the desert along with their livestock. They mainly rear goats, sheep, camels, and horses. These animals provide them with milk and hide, which is used to make leather for belts, slippers, and water bottles. People living in the Sahara wear heavy robes to protect themselves from dust storms and hot winds. There are human settlements in the oasis of Sahara and the Nile Valley of Egypt.
What have we read about the Nile River? What is its speciality?
Ma'am,
it is the longest river.
river.
Very good. Longest river in Egypt.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, world.
Yeah, it's the longest in the world.
People grow date palms and crops such as rice, wheat, barley, and beans. Since
What do we call barley in Hindi?
Ma'am, jaw.
Jaw.
water is available here, Egyptian cotton, which is famous worldwide, is grown in Egypt. The discovery of oil has led to a great transformation in the Sahara Desert. Petroleum is mainly found in Algeria, Libya, and Egypt. Some other minerals of importance like iron,
आपको पता ना कि पेट्रोलियम ज्यादातर हमें यहीं से मिलता है, जो आपकी अरेबियन कंट्रीज है वहां से आता है ज्यादातर. Are you aware of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
phosphorus, manganese, and uranium are also found in
What are these? Iron, phosphorus, manganese, uranium?
Ma'am, these are chemicals.
Chemicals.
Chemical particles. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
these are
minerals.
Minerals.
Ma'am, minerals.
These are minerals which are found in that region. We have read about rocks and minerals, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
here. The cultural landscape of the Sahara is undergoing a great change. One can see modern offices and superhighways in place of mud houses and camel paths in the Sahara today. The nomadic people are seen acting as guides to foreign tourists. The number of nomadic herdsmen taking to city life and finding jobs in oil and gas operations is increasing day by day. Overall, modernization is making its impact on the Sahara Desert.
Understood?
Yeah.
Understood well, children?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first you need to tell me, name two nomadic types of the Sahara Desert are dash in the Bedouins.
Tuaregs.
Spelling.
Ma'am,
Tuaregs.
Tuaregs.
Good. Dash is the main source of making belts, slippers, and water bottles.
Ma'am, animal
Leather.
skin.
Animal.
Ma'am,
Animal
hide.
skin.
Discuss, comment one conclusion. I'll type and submit whatever
Hide.
you say. Tell me what is to be written.
Ma'am, hide.
Height or leather? So
Ma'am,
let's
leather.
Ma'am, it was hide in the beginning.
write height. Then see what comes. Dash is mainly found in Algeria, Libya, and Egypt.
Ma'am, petroleum.
Okay.
Oil.
Now I'm submitting it. Let's see whether you have done it right or wrong. Hide is wrong. What should be there instead of hide?
Ma'am,
Leather.
animal skin.
Animal. Well, so we are right. It should be animal hide, animal skin. It's correct.
Let's recap the highlights of the lesson.
Hanji, anything which you want to ask? Any doubts? Or shall we move to the desert, the dark now? Tell me. Any doubts, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now
No.
let's
No, ma'am.
the cold desert Ladakh.
Students, all of us know that water is very important for plants, animals, and human beings to survive. It is very difficult to live in places where water is scarce. There are many places in this world which, along with being water scarce, experience extreme temperatures. These places are known as deserts. Based on temperature, there can be hot deserts and cold deserts. Ladakh, located in northern India, is an example.
Guys, can you spot Ladakh in the map of India?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, earlier this was known as, earlier this was in one state known as
Jammu
Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir, but now it has become Ladakh. Right now, this state, right, where I am marking right now. Can you see this mark? This one. This state now is Jammu and Kashmir, whereas this is Ladakh. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Example of a cold desert. Let us learn about Ladakh, its flora and fauna, and the life of its people. Do you know which is the coldest place in India?
Can you tell me the capital of Ladakh?
Ma'am, Leh.
Ma'am, Leh.
Very good. And the capital of Jammu and Kashmir?
Srinagar.
Yeah? Well, it is Dras, which lies in the Union Territory of Ladakh. Ladakh is a
And one more thing. Is Ladakh a state or union territory?
Ma'am, it's a union territory.
Union territory.
And Jammu and
Ma'am,
Kashmir?
Union Territory.
What about Jammu and Kashmir?
Ma'am, it comes in like both the union territories and the state.
Go for it.
desert lying in the northernmost part of India. It is bound by the Karakoram Range in the north and the Zanskar Mountains in the south. Much of Ladakh is 3,000 meters above sea level and formed over 45 million years. The Indus and its tributaries pass through deep valleys and gorges. Several glaciers like the Gangri Glacier are also found in Ladakh. The climate of Ladakh is extremely cold and dry. The temperature lies between 3 and 30 degrees centigrade during the summers and between -20 and -30 degrees centigrade.
Can you imagine how cold it would be right now in Bareilly? It is around 6-7 degrees cold, 7 degrees it gets, and we start shivering, right? And there it gets as cold as -20 degree. Can you beat that? Can you imagine how difficult it would be to live there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
During the winters, Ladakh experiences very low rainfall as it lies in the rain shadow area of the Himalaya.
Do you remember what is rain shadow area?
Ma'am, the windward side which do not receive any rain.
Are you crazy? The windward side is the side which receives rain, Shobhit.
Ma'am, leeward side.
Exactly.
Yes,
Rain
on the
shadow
leeward
is
side.
leeward side. In this diagram, you can see the winds coming to the Himalayas. Can you see
Yes,
they're
ma'am.
approaching Himalayas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ठीक है, देखो. So these are the winds, right, which are approaching Himalayas. So this side is which side? ये कौन सी side हो गई Himalayas की?
Windward.
Windward side. W-I-N-D, wind, W-A-R-D, word, windward side, right? And whereas this side, where Ladakh is lying, this would be known as which side?
Leeward
Leeward
side.
Leeward
Leeward
side. And just because Ladakh lies in the leeward side of the Himalayas, which is also known as the rain shadow area, that's why it receives very less rainfall, right? Am I clear? So यहाँ पे जो बारिश होगी हिमालयस के पास वो कौन सी बारिश कहलाएगी? Which type of rainfall it would be, children?
Orographic rainfall.
Very good. Orographic. And what is the other name of this rainfall?
Relief rainfall.
Relief rainfall. Correct.
Yes. Ladakh experiences very cold winds as well as burning hot sunlight. It will be very surprising to discover that if you sit in the sun with half your body in the shade, you may suffer from sunstroke and frostbite both at the same time.
Which river and its tributaries flows through Ladakh?
Indus River.
Very good.
Now let us learn about the flow.
Do you know the meaning of frostbite? पता है आपको frostbite क्या होता है? Do you know?
मैं shivering due to cold.
बहुत नहीं, because of a lot of cold, your skin starts getting chapped. That's known as frostbite.
Flora and fauna of Ladakh.
What is flora and what is fauna, kids?
Ma'am, flora means animals and
Ma'am,
fauna means
flora is trees and plants. Fauna means animals.
Very good, Yuvraj. Shobhit, you said the opposite. Flora stands for the vegetation, which is plants, and fauna stands for animals.
As Ladakh is a cold desert, it is very obvious that the vegetation is extremely sparse except on the banks of rivers and wetlands. We can find some fruit trees like apples and apricots during the summers.
Guys, what do we call the areas where we grow a lot of fruits?
Ma'am, orchard.
Orchards. Correct.
Several species of birds like finches, robins, gulls, hoopoe, etc. are commonly sighted. Animals like wild goats, wild sheep, and yak are reared by the people of Ladakh for milk, meat, and hides. We'll now learn about the people of Ladakh. We can find a striking resemblance between the people of Ladakh and those of Tibet and Central Asia. These people are mainly followers of Islam and Buddhism. We can find many Buddhist monasteries here with their traditional gompas. Some famous monasteries are Hemis, Tikse, She, and Lamayuru. Barley, potatoes, peas, beans, and turnip are grown in the summer season. The women
Did you see turnip? हमने इस बार discuss किया था third lecture what turnip is.
Shaljam.
work in the house and fields, manage small businesses and shops, and enjoy high status in society. Tourism is a major activity in Ladakh. Tourists from India and abroad come to see the gompas, meadows, glaciers, and the colorful ceremonies and festivities of Ladakh. Life in Ladakh is changing due to modernization. But the people of Ladakh have learned to live in balance and harmony with nature.
Which of the following animal is most likely to be seen in Ladakh?
Yeah.
Yak.
Ma'am, yak.
Correct.
Let us recapitulate what we have learned.
Okay, I hope you have understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the concepts?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Let's go life in deserts. Just एक बार revise करते हैं फटाफट से. So this is what we have read about life in deserts, right? There are two types of deserts, hot and cold, right? Then we have read about their flora and fauna as well, their climate and the people. चलिए बताइए. Which is the following crops is not commonly grown in Sahara Desert?
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
Ma'am, sugar cane.
Next. What does the Sahara Desert affect the daily temperature? How does the Sahara Desert affect the daily temperature range? Option A, B, C, D.
Ma'am, ma'am, C1, C.
Sure,
C.
everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes,
C.
ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. Next. तो चलो ये हम skip कर देते हैं. बाकी our answers are absolutely correct. One we haven't done. That is fine. So now let's come to the other one. बताइए. The Sahara Desert covers how many million square kilometer?
Ma'am, 7.
Which 7.57? Tell me. One. A, B, C, D.
8.54.
8.54. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, 3.
Alright, decide one, no? Give me one answer.
Ma'am, 3, 3, 3.
3.22.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Let's see whether Pranav is right or wrong. I'm not going to tell you the answer as of now. Which of the following animals are not found in Sahara deserts?
Elephant.
Ma'am, elephants. Elephants.
How do women earn livelihood in Ladakh? बहुत सारे आंसर आ जाएगा इसमें सब्जेक्टिव ऐसे स्किप कर सकते हैं. चलो लद्दाख is home to many again subjective. So let's
Ma'am, the second question was 9.2 kilometer.
8.44 was the answer of question number 1. Second was correct. Elephant's one. ठीक है. So first answer is wrong. चलिए. So this is what we have talked about the deserts. Now shall we talk about those areas as well, the temperate regions?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's come to tropical and the subtropical regions.
Human environment interactions.
21 minute comedy movie. Let us talk about life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin first.
We have explored life in the Amazon basin. Let us now look at how people live in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers together make up this basin in the Indian subcontinent. The basin lies between 10° north and 30° north latitudes. It is a subtropical region. Look at the map.
Could you see the latitudes here in the map? Can you see
Yes,
it
ma'am.
lies between 10° north and 30° north latitude. So ये जो 24° mark है ना, इससे नीचे से शुरू हो रहा है from West Bengal and it is going up to near this 32°, right? So थोड़ा नीचे, that is the 30° north. Can you spot the latitudes marked here? Can you spot
Yes,
the
ma'am.
latitudes? Okay.
The basin lies between 10° north and 30° north latitudes. It is a subtropical region. Look at the map of India. The Ghagra, Son, Chambal, Gandak, and Kosi tributaries of the Ganga, along with some tributaries.
What is the meaning of tributaries, children? What are tributaries?
Ma'am, the branches of main river.
No, these branches join the main river or they go away from the main river.
Ma'am, they go away
Ma'am,
from.
They go away.
Tributaries. Pranav, tributaries.
Ma'am, join the
Yes,
river.
very good, Vamika. Tributaries join the main river, whereas distributaries go away from the main river. Okay? ट्रिब्यूटरी से ट्रिब्यूट करती है उस रिवर में, आके जुड़ जाती है उससे.
Tributaries of the Brahmaputra River drain this basin. The basin can be found in 5 countries, which are India, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, and Bangladesh.
So children, on the map of India, you will also mark the countries, right, which are being drained by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra river. Can you tell me which are those countries? Can you tell me the countries which are being drained by these rivers, Ganga and Brahmaputra?
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, India,
India,
Nepal,
Nepal,
Bhutan, Tibet, and
Bhutan,
Bangladesh.
Tibet and
Good. India, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, and Bangladesh. Very good.
Can you name the states in India that are covered by the Ganga Brahmaputra basin?
बताओ कौन कौन सी स्टेट्स कवर कर रही गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन. We have done this in the class as well.
Mathura.
Uttar Pradesh and Bihar.
Only
West Bengal.
Ma'am, Delhi.
Delhi is not a state, it's UT. Right, so you can see Rajasthan is also there, Madhya Pradesh is also there, Assam is also there, parts of Uttarakhand are also there.
Mathura is also there.
It covers 10
Mathura
states.
is not a state, beta. Mathura is a city. We're talking about states. Let's see.
And 1 union territory, which are Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and Delhi.
Right, so can you count how many states are being drained in this by this basin?
Ma'am, 11 states and 1 union territory.
Very good. 11 states and 1 union territory. Which is a union territory out of these?
Delhi.
Delhi. Right. So write these down somewhere. Right. You need to write this in the notebook as well. That these are the states which are being drained by these rivers. UP, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and Delhi. Okay.
Now I have to cut a screenshot.
You've taken a screenshot. Very good. Write them down later.
The main features of the basin are the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain, the Himalaya mountains and foothills, and the Sundarbans delta.
Do you know what are foothills of the mountains? Mountain के बिल्कुल नीचे नीचे का जो छोटे hills होते हैं. We can see how the topography extremely varied. Topography का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा?
Height.
No. What is the meaning of topography?
Ma'am, the physical characteristic of an
Very
area.
good. The physical features of an area, the land of an area. Okay. So I'm stopping it here only because the meeting is about to end. I've shared another link. Kindly join that. Enjoyed this? Was I a video, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, when we will do the long answers?
Abhi bas
Left one.
after this video, we'll do the remaining long answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. It's about to end.